breaks on the leaves of a banyan tree, and all of these spirit voices rule the night. Some stories are magical, meant to be sung, songs from the mouth of the river when the world was young, and all of these spirit voices rule the night. By moon we walk to the brew hall's door, along a path of river stones, women with their nursing children seated on the floor. We join the fevers and the broken bones.
Edienti na wo no onyi helmet no kwa mpompa ma no na wo hwehwe helmet no na wo
ebia maybe rider no I say okọ na be I say foot bi na abobia beton I say na protein say I say Tommy nim sa maybe I lose control and share
the ono no provide the man way if you say ono so te so no because nipa mienu na transfer e wo say nipa mienu no nyina share ana woni license ye de kamoto license way
oh fi oh je me e wo juma na me free juma na record
license way
wo me car ni mo
che say wa unhu motor accident motor accident
yeah
je be ba the sign e na nipa ti I say watermelon ye say ujam na de wewa said ye no sa na wo be for obi ba e de atra na wo protect wo de say mo ayi be ko wani nti e da be na wo feel say we e Hwan Asedee say etu timika e Hwan Asedee
ebe jai ye bio
munye bio e bia ga na fo de ye chima mo so munye bio
oh yeah
so de chi ade say oh yes see two things what do obi atra motor so a one share the helmet wo sa de aba be cross motorway onyi ni say dangerous
dangerous far
nti ade ti na ye nim ye bibia si aban ye nim enso so na yan kasa so ye ade ti na kisa
wo de anye just say de bia na ye sa he say ko bi ntina me di far no he say be satis
me da say chromophobia wo chi na wo say ne no wo wi ade enye de bia na ye sa e the system wo ano de ye wo den
enye me there but oh say ye fa road ye say ye fa road where ye cop program bi wala shi bi it's in a man ye cross road me it would have fache for our own protection
and I wouldn't nti je say maybe gbe ho amenti ase wunnim say enye enso na wo ye
ono on time family de bia enepe nti would
wunyi ni say we e offense say Accra to Motorway nya ha ne ba bia nka wo say we ye U-turn enso so why wa ha
oh yeah it's not right but you know there is no overpass into say me ka say bia me call 18 ha ya je me kofa a friend sent to Kwashiton which is very far so I think if nka bia overpass or no and I say if there is any crossover I would have done that but we don't have any option that's why we do this
what you say when I said they said they will can't obe provided the amount in middle of the road say what can say we here be to say overpass now what media pass would you say right sir
yeah I'm not saying what I did right now was right but the American is say some campaign for no bit me aye that kind of overpass na my nke beboa I don't know him says overpass no man you wouldn't have to worry yourself to be risking your life and taking all this kind of you know so I say
the emredo do say now start say wo fa bike dem nim say mo no enya your first time I would dey bike ni na say wo tell you so wo apply point the emredo do say ni na
okay
so cross Accra to Motorway
oh me angasa bike ni dey me use it for a long time young friend say and then Wednesday just a week and I today is the second time I'm afar I think I passed here on Monday and then today yeah
it is my police for begina ha say wo twam na hu say yan police for aka me nyini say wo be cross me boa
oh yeah
so wo hu say yan police for kanya de abefa
yeah
of Adom TV dase
miss me dase
it e kwa bia so be sa cross de no aka nyina chi be cross
David
do be do be sai
some crossing the same there some crossing
me na very Adom TV so nie baby bia odofo wo hwe me enioma ekoso e wo man Ghana mu abribia yebusa se Hwan Asedee ye ba Motorway yi so yi enioma bebre ye de ani ehunu empo ye hunu se U-turns e wo eye Motorway kwantempo no so adawafo ahyenkafo bebre no a eye ye U-turn e wo mu motorbikes esusu eye U-turn mo ma fa nipa na sister no cry bold enough to tell us say oh enepe from phobia which into that and 40 ejina mo aforo na utu mo ne sofo utu mo ne foro na utu ejina mo asofo aban BBS aban tinifio wa ye kwan no de aman yen yankasa enya aban ene betwa U-turn ne to Motorway no mu efise Motorway no mo ye na U-turn bi anim eni bie pa na aba bebre dodo ama sade we ekoso ana sade ben wo a wo hwe me ofie wo so ka ho ye busa se eye Hwan Asedee da ben pa ena nioma bi sei eto ebetwa ewo oman Ghana mu ade a ye busa no Ghana Highway Authority for so yesemo se we de eye mprempren prekope ye Motorway a ye di U-turns atutum no yemra ne yemra mesisi no Motorway ne de mafa e de ato me ho se eye meba eno no abiri bia de bia koso akra tema Motorway bia ye beka ho asem efisi adwenioma bi ho a yente ase ade be chimu beba be sikwan no ade be chikrofo be so betwa kwan na tum eti ebusa se eye Hwan Asedee edien ene efuru se ye beye na betimi aboa akra tema Motorway na fa ne ntuma pa bi aiden efura ana se eye dan ankrofo asisi Motorway ne nchanchan no wo mo na kroso eba eye saa ne ma na ene obi piri no moto mo nyakwa na betwa mu asim ye busa se eye Hwan Asedee ye dwene ho yente ase Adom TV OPB abribia ye de ye se eye Hwan Asedee kwan ben ene ye betimi atua wei ano na de na Asedee no wo na Asedee ye as a nation as a mother Ghana sempo ye betema ne ma papa bi agu akwan mu ana ye busa se eye Hwan Asedee